Yeah, welcome on this short overview Eagle viewpoint presentation of iMarketsLive. For those who are interested in the online foreign exchange and cryptocurrency world, we are the online or one of the online largest foreign exchange and cryptocurrency education platforms, and I give you a very short presentation of what iMarketsLive entails. So hang on, make some notes and repeat this video if you'd like to, but it's definitely a huge opportunity at this moment to get involved into the Forex and crypto world. Our services, very simple. First of all, we have iMarketsLive Academy, foreign exchange and cryptocurrency market education. Then we have iMarketsLive TV, live foreign exchange and cryptocurrency mentorship. Then we have different apps like Harmonic Scanner, Harmonic Pattern Indicator, Web Analyzer, Market Setup Indicator. Swipe Trades is another app that you can use on your mobile phone to make it easier, which is a foreign exchange market education mobile app. Swipecoin, cryptocurrency market education mobile app for those who are into the crypto world. And then there's swing trades and night owl sessions with master educator and CEO and founder of iMarketsLive, Christopher Terry himself. Hugely popular. You are in good hands. Let me introduce to you our leadership team, and there are more leaders, but these are the core leaders. First of all, Christopher Terry himself, Chief Executive Officer, tremendously passionate about his own firm and about the opportunity that he grants us. His wife, Isis de la Torre, Chief Financial Officer, Alex Morton, Executive Vice President, and Ivan Tapia, Vice President of Sales. And again, there are some more individuals being profiled as the top leadership team in iMarketsLive. Our vision, and we are well on the way to reach that, is to educate, enrich and empower 1 million students by 2020. We're already in 120 different countries with 1 million plus Academy monthly unique visitors and in 8 major languages translated. That helps. Plus we already have 60 plus full-time educators that provide personal coaching, step-by-step personal coaching, so that you do not make Las Vegas out of your mobile phone. I should say that the personal coaching prevents you to turn your mobile phone into a Las Vegas gamble opportunity. Real education. Now, iMarketsLive Academy, Forex and cryptocurrency market education, 100 plus education videos. Education videos that are easy to follow and give you the ability to learn at your own pace. And then there is basic to advanced market education, broken down into step-by-step modules so that you can learn how to master the markets, and foreign exchange cryptocurrency education. So iMarketsLive is all about iMarketsLive Academy is all about video education with beginner, intermediate and advanced learning modules. Hugely popular by demand, iMarketsLive TV, live Forex and cryptocurrency education. Various live training categories from basic to advanced crypto, different product training and strategies, and nearly 1,000 hours a month of live education and analysis available in 8 major languages with more languages to come. So iMarketsLive TV is live Forex and cryptocurrency education. A huge opportunity. Now a short introduction to the smart apps. Harmonic Scanner, Harmonic Pattern Indicator. iMarketsLive has its own smart apps, mobile telephone traders smart app store, starting with Harmonic Scanner. Scans the markets for valid harmonic patterns on various time frames, provides pivot info like entry, risk point and targets, and caters to multiple trading styles with products with product education provided on IML TV. Here you go. Another smart app and unique app of iMarketsLive, which makes trading less time consuming and easier because you can do it on your mobile phone instead of sitting behind 3, 6 or 9 screens, is Web Analyzer. Market Setup Indicator scans the markets for potential forex and cryptocurrency on various time frames. Works in real time with the live markets, multiple strategies provided with product education provided on iMarketsLive TV again. So here you go, Web Analyzer, another app. Also to be found in the App Store is Swipe Trades, an app that has to do with forex markets, forex market education on mobile app. Swipe Trades. Receive forex trade ideas from our team of experienced educators anywhere in the world. Get essential trade info, risk point, notes, follow-ups, and guidance provided. And it's literally great for building hands-on experience with the markets and having a second opinion. Swipe Trades, specifically made for the forex markets, the money markets. Now for the opposite or the new revolutionary cryptocurrency markets, we have Swipe Coin, very, very popular. Receive cryptocurrency trade ideas, and the rest is similar as Swipe Trade, but this is for the cryptocurrency markets. And a very unique feature is to spend time with a master educator and the CEO Christopher Terry. Spend Sunday evenings with a 25-year veteran reviewing the markets for the week to come. This gives you a huge advantage. He is featured and quoted in books, articles, and also known as a keynote speaker at trading and traders expo events, for example in Las Vegas and New York City. And this is a unique opportunity to learn from those who know best. Our CEO and founder Christopher Terry in particular. Now we have real customer testimonials, so please click links and see the real customer, real result testimonials of different individuals showing their respect and their testimonials on the website that you see below this video. You can click through and see those testimonials yourself. Recommended onboarding and getting involved immediately. A suggestion is to start with the Platinum package, which gives you access to iMarketsLive Academy, iMarketsLive TV, the harmonic scanner, and swing trades and night owl sessions with our CEO Christopher Terry for a whopping, a very doable price of $225 one time, and then $164.95 a month. Now there is an opportunity to recruit and earn your own monthly fee, so that is a very easy opportunity as well. And options are to take Web Analyzer, swing trades, and Swipe Coin separately for a monthly fee. So here you go, a little bit information about onboarding. More information on that by clicking links underneath this video or leaving your best email address plus mobile telephone number on this page. When you see this video on a page where you can do so, we'll send you appropriate video information of the different packages and onboarding procedures. Basically easy choice to make. You either start as a new customer, then you can register right now by clicking links underneath and finding the new customer button, or as a new IBO, then there's a different link and a different onboarding procedure and gives you more options. So here you go, new customer or new IBO, up to you. In general, I'd like to welcome you in our team. Specifically, let me do a little team pitch. The advantages of taking part in our team is that we are setting up huge recruiting and all done for you artificial intelligence software that is aimed and targeted to your team links. Behind the scenes, I'll give specific marketing sessions so that you can literally do the recruiting on autopilot / taking part of huge worldwide campaigns that bring in lots of members and customers linked and targeted on your links. That is a team effort. This is not a corporate video. I'm just one of the few people that represent iMarketsLive, and I hope to do this in a proper fashion. So that as a disclaimer, no guarantees, no promises. I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice, nor do I want to be your financial advisor. No risks, no guarantees, and no promises. But basically, my main specialty, our team's main specialty, is setting up huge campaigns, all done for you campaigns, or old-fashioned network marketing strategies, so that you can build a huge team of customers as well as distributors. iMarketsLive is very unique in that they have approximately 73% customers, so that tells you something about the quality of the services and products, like the apps, the academy, and the iMarketsLive TV opportunity. So here you go. Click links underneath this video. You're more than welcome to see more video information by clicking links underneath this video. When you see this on YouTube, you can also hit the share button. There's a share button underneath this video. When you click on that, you're able to share this video on your own social media platforms, hopefully with a positive note and comment. And then you're also able to leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number, probably on the right or underneath this video, when you see this on a page where you can do so we can send you appropriate video information, won't spam you. And then get back to the person that sent you to this video. He or she has a huge surprise for you. It'll blow your hair back and knock your socks off for the next 30 years. And then last but not least, hit the thumbs up button, the social media buttons, like, subscribe, sharing is caring, and become a member of this channel to stay up to date about the crypto and forex world developments. Then we give special trading classes live on webinars, seminars, live streaming sessions, etc., etc. So I'll see you in the next video in one of our funnels, but definitely in the most beautiful resorts and on the most beautiful beaches of the world. Thank you so much. Oh yes, and just let me add something to this little video. There's basically 4 ways to approach iMarketsLive. You're able to become a network marketeer. There's a huge compensation plan, a presentation of all the income streams in a different video. But next to that, you can see it as an app store by reselling apps. That's another opportunity of setting up a cash flow situation for yourself. And next to that, you're able to see it as an educational platform with iMarketsLive TV and iMarketsLive Academy. And next to that, obviously, you can learn how to trade yourself, to take part on different trading platforms. We do make suggestions by following the personal coaching and the education yourself before you actually start trading. So those are the opportunities. See the bigger picture, please. Don't get focused on 1 or 2 opportunities. iMarketsLive literally has taken out all the bugs due to huge compliance laws and regulations that get stricter and stricter. But iMarketsLive literally focuses on education and smart apps, personal coaching, and network marketing. So here you go. They've learned their lesson, and hats off to the CEO and his wonderful wife and the leader team that are listening to those signs. It's all about timing, and I believe that iMarketsLive has picked out the right products and services in the right time, and that should literally put you on fire and make you enthusiastic about this opportunity. I'll check you later. Again, see you in the most beautiful resorts and on the most beautiful beaches of the world. Bye bye for now, and thank you for our team. Thanks to our team.